Hi friends, this is Tamal here. Good evening. Welcome to PRCOMP. Official website is prccomp.org.in. Now from the monitor you can see I have written down few words, meaningful words. Now I want to make it sort, like from A to Z, alphabetically, which starts first, it will be come at the top, and accordingly the rest until the last will understand. So if I say sort A to Z, then see these things happen. Then again, if I say sort Z to A, then this thing happens. In the first case, when I say sort A to Z, see A for apple, this comes. Then A B C D E F G H I J K L M, then O, then P. So here, in case of P, you can see that as the first two letters for the first letter P in both parrot and potato is same, so it is going for the second letter A and O. So why this parrot comes first? Only because the second letter start is in precedence, is faster than that of O. So that's why I have taken it is taken parrot in first and then potato. Again Z to A, it will be O, and again Z A to Z it will be. So in this way, in case of Excel, we do the sorting from A to Z, means alphabetically ascending or alphabetically descending. So this is all about the session. I am Tamal Das representing PRCOMP. Official website is prccomp.org.in. We guys provide this basic course in Excel, Office, MS Office, Excel, and PowerPoint, MS Word, and also provide certificate along with that. Also, we give you the certificate material, provide banners, flags, posters, and sell dry fruits. Thank you for being with us and stay for more updates. My number is 8420879158 and email is asalonsix@gmail.com. Thank you for